honest, I'll say 7.
Ryan said 7. I'm going with 4. But I hope it's more.
7 I was trying to be honest with.
Here goes Real Steel. Real Steel has been in it since the day we started, guys. I think he's using the same car. It's pretty amazing.
I can't believe that.
How you guys doing in turn 5? Huh? Good?
Too far.
You guys okay?
Ooh.
All right.
You guys like
I missed it.
Bumblebee Boo. Come on,
I gotta
let
pay
it in.
attention. All right, here we go, the gold car. This is the gold standard of how to do this. Or not. Let's hear it.
Thumbs down.
Use your outdoor voice.
These guys can hear you. If they think that you're razzle, they will try harder. I guarantee it. Can't help it. Dart dog.
Dart duck. What do you guys think? Hey, Brian, we got anybody on the list?
Nobody. Are you kidding?
Nobody?
That's been awful.
That's terrible. All right, here we go. What's little B gonna do? What do you guys think? On the list? Yeah, yes?
Yeah, there was a couple of cheers. I heard cheers.
I did too. I was getting a little nervous. I think that was a little B fan club up there. Here goes the Hulk.
He's trying.
He is still on mean and green.
He's really trying.
All right, I'm in position here. I'm ready to go.
Back, what do you guys think?
What do you guys think, Mad Max? No, we got a couple thumbs up, actually. No. Now, they gotta do a little bit better than that. We need some wheel cutting and some real sideways action here.
Northwood Law.
I wonder if those skulls on his hood are legal. Here he goes.
Hey! I kind of liked it.
Alright, what do you guys think? Northwood Law on the list?
He's given the best effort so far.
You guys like that one? Alright, Brian, that gets added.
Animal control.
Animal controls on the list, our first one. He did it! He tested the crash!
Oh, yes.
On the list? Alright. On the list is crash test. He's going to put on a new tire and he will be back.
That was awesome.
Thor.
Ooh.
What do you guys think? Thor?
Yeah.
No. Alright.
Oh, good. Jeep.
Oh, this ought to be good. This ought to be good.
Don't let me down.
What do you guys think? All four? Alright. I don't know.
01? We're just calling 01. That's not it. Does 01 make the list?
Kind of.
04 does not. Ooh.
Come on, guys.
The booze made me happy.
Come on, guys.
For some reason.
Alright, here we go.
Come on, fire.
Almost.
Speaking of speed towards the end. Come on.
Save Brian. Lost it right in the last minute.
Well, great. So the next time, if he makes it, the hundreds are on you.
Alright, next car. What do we got here? Subaru.
No, Ford Escape.
Ooh, yeah, I booed you. Boo, boo, boo. Here we go. Who's this? It is Tina Turner was that car. Tina Turner, I think. Oh, what is this? Alright, that was impressive.
That next Ford. Do they make the list?
Anybody on the list? Brian, throw them on the list since we don't have that many cars on the list
Yeah, we
anyway.
got 3 pretty solid ones. Northwood Law. Northwood Law, we've seen that already.
Northwood Law needs to...
Yeah. first time school in Northwood Law. The second time's like lame. We've seen this thing before. All right, he's lost. Oh, here we go.
A wide turning rate. All right. What do we got here?
Do I see Nick and Knight lined up in there? Who's this? Is this double? Yes. Been waiting to use this all night.
All right, here goes the Honda. Now, Boo guys, good. Darth Duck on the list. Come on, guys, help us out. It's okay. Car Wars. Here goes Nick at Night. All right, so guys, that's awful. So Nick, you got to go to the backstory on this, guys. Nick at Night and 007 are friends.
All right, they pushed Nick and Knight out of the way. Woo! Yeah.
All right.
That was very disappointing. I had my camera ready to go. I don't know what it is, but I like that.
What do you guys think? Animal Control on the list? Oh, is he already on the list?
He's already on the list.
Already on the list,
Northwood
guys.
Law Animal Control Crash Test 007 are listers.
Wow. That's some good air right there. What do you guys think? On the list? All right.
That's a hard one. I don't know.
Got some good distance. All right, guys.
Here we go.
Here he goes. Here he goes. Gonna try it again. Oh.
I pressed record for no reason. It's hopeless. All right, come on, Iron Maiden, give me
This
something.
is a part of Team Cosmo. Those guys are awesome. All right, definitely give it an A for effort.
That's pretty good bonus stuff. Lost control. And the show must go on. All right, here we go with the band.
Here we go.
Oh, I love it.
Your parts are being delivered.
We're gonna be a little bit late today, guys.
On the list. You got it.
What's the name on that thing? Ask that driver, what is the name of that?
And the driver is okay. Are you guys ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, flip that car!
Hello, 007.
All right, fine. How many cars we got left here? Because this is crazy. Here we go, guys. 007. Oh, that's a good run. That's a good run. Not bad. Oh, but by the way, that's how it's supposed to be done. That's the whole kind of meaning of this. But, you know, it's okay. We give him a pass. But it's Friday night, and it's Car Wars. And we're glad you're here. Here goes the Mercedes. God's door.
That was better?
That was good effort. You got Thor on the list? Whoa. That was crazy. Venom on the list? Yes? Oh, no. Okay. All right, Venom's not on the list. Iron Man on the list. I like that too. Iron Man, does that make the list? No, it didn't. I got all thumbs down over here.
I like these people, they're right.
All right, what about Tina Turner on the list? 7H Turner, 711. I don't know what that is. Here goes the Subaru.
You.
No, that was awful. Fine, we got anybody on the list? My goodness. We are not on that gas for the rank race. On the gas. Keep your eye on 5. That's good speed. Nice for that. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Phenomenal. That is phenomenal.
Crash test on the list. This guy is not, but he's got potential.
Good suspension right there.
That's sent.
On the list.
Sending the list.
All right, here we go, guys. Crash test. Keep your eyes out. That was phenomenal.
2 flats, 3 flats, 4 flats, I think.
He's down on a flat tire.
He's got 3 or 4 at this point.
Brian, it is time to vote.
Yes, it certainly is. All right, guys, so again, this is the chance. You got to cheer for who you like.